Here's how you can find Bitcoin address on your Cash App. So first thing is you just have to log into your Cash App account and you just have to select the banking tab on the home screen and choose the Bitcoin option. Simply tap on this and you just have to tap on Bitcoin. Right now in my country it's not available, but you just have to tap on this. Remember, your wallet address is unique and changes after each successful deposit. So always check for the most recent address before making a transfer. The next thing is you just have to tap deposit Bitcoin. It will display your current Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Now you can copy this address and send it to anyone who want to send you Bitcoin. You can check your balance and sell your Bitcoin if you want to cash out. And that's it. You have successfully found your Bitcoin address on your Cash App. So hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.